disgusting. Okay, Daniel. Thank you. That's all I do. Stop shaking it. What are you doing? If you're going to laugh, can you let go because you're shaking the ladder, Daniel? Let go. Let go, Dave. Thank you, I'm all right. Rosie, you can stand next to Daniel. These three people came out of the audience. I think they're brilliant. So when they take the bow, just remember it could have been any one of you. Let's say thank you to our three volunteers. Thank you, guys. Take a bow. Right, I'm going to try and escape now for 20 meters of chain, handcuffs, padlocks, on a ladder tied by three people I've never met. Now today, I'm going to try and crack my best time. It currently stands at 1 hour and 6 minutes. Who's with me? Why? I'm going to try and do this in less than 2 minutes. Do you want to see it? Say yes. Yes. Right, check it out. There are no hidden keys. The only keys are on the chair. Watch the padlocks because all five, they're going to stay locked until the very end. To do this, I'll put my body through pain for your entertainment. Now to get my wrist free from the handcuffs, I'm going to attempt to dislocate my thumbs. That allows enough space to pull the wrist through, push the thumbs back into place, twist and contort the muscles and joints to get out the chains. This is not an illusion. It's just weird. To make this more dangerous, I suffer from vertigo and narcolepsy. Anything could happen. Hey, I'll tell you a funny story. I once did this for the BBC on the radio. I don't even know why I bothered with the ladder. No one would have known. Right, I've got a quick bonus trick with my hat, which I've left in the box. So a little kid can help me out. I see a little kid. Go on then, in the front row with the best hat in the whole audience. Give him a clap. Right, shout out your name for everybody. Alex, right, open the box please, Alex. Right, there's a black hat in there, can you see it? Yeah, that's it. Okay, close the box. Right, probably best for you to stand on the box now, Alex. So you're just going to put the hat on my right foot, and when you do, this is the applause for you. Stay there, Alex. Right, something special. Chain handcuffed, I'm going to balance on the ladder with one leg. With the other leg, kick the hat up and try and catch it on my head. Alex, move back 3 steps. It's for safety. So I did this trick once and I messed up. The kid was stood there in the box and I killed him. Alex, don't worry, that's not entirely true. It was a completely different box. Thanks for having a sense of humor. I mean, thanks for being here. If you weren't, this would look ridiculous. Just me and Alex. Look, it's like a stag. It's like a stag night gone wrong, isn't it? Just some kid tormenting me. Shut up. Quick, Alex, quit, that was your fault. Right, second, this is windy. If this works, I want to hear some noise. This is, God, this, what? It wasn't this windy before. God. Ah! Well, I'm not diving for it. Go on, Alex, quick you can. Right, third attempt. That's where it gets exciting. I'm going to warn you now, if I can't do this on my third attempt, I'll go straight through for a 4th attempt. Oh! Quick, Alice, quick. Hurry up, no one noticed. Does that count? You're so bored. Yes, it counts. Just move on. It was on. Yes, make some noise. Hold it there. Alex, put it down. You take a bow from the audience. 2 minutes. That's all we've got.
10, 9, 8.
If you know the words, join in. Everybody.
6,
Come on, you lot.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Thanks, Dave.
1 minute 40 seconds.
Okay. First dumb justification coming out.
1 minute 30 seconds.
Can I have some encouragement, please? Kid, get that key.
1 minute 10 seconds.
Second one here.
1 minute.
Halfway.
No, stop.
50 seconds.
Smack his hand.
Oh, God. Right. Launch the right shoulder. That's an important part of the escape. If the shape comes off, it's not over, but cheer like mad. Now! Everybody's got to clap. Clap. Clap.
Nice collection of items to have get.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I know I don't know.
Oh.
I might go and find someone to sit. Yeah. There's some spaces.
To go and fish curry.
Good health, I won't skin up, let's keep things up. Cheers! Good tackle. Right, there's a lot of girls in my family, a lot. I've got 2 daughters, they're both sat there. We might get them to do a guest spot in a minute, we'll play our cards, right? I've got a little sister, I've got a granddaughter, and we've had enough Disney princesses to last 7 lifetimes, and to say I'm sick of it is an understatement. So little Lily there, I used to have a Disney princess book, and we went through them, and we made a song up about them, didn't we? She was only about 4, but we did it together. This song's called Disney Princess. Disney princess with an arse that a Wendy who stands on Tinkerbell to get pizza for herself and breaks his heart by telling he's just a stupid little elf. The Jasmine that tells Aladdin to go back to petty crime, and Elsa that refuses to sing Let It Go for the millionth time. Come on about Mr. Disney. Get out your felt tip pens, draw us a Disney princess. A little scream at us down the lens. She'll wear big boots, have a dirty laugh. She won't cry over boys. She won't give her monkeys sauce. If you can't sell any of your plastic Disney toy.
No, I don't think it's helping. I was like, I might as well do it, like, at least then I get a workout.